Good morning, ladies and gents. Another good tip is to try to perceive the value of what you do. This course is certainly useful for those who must position their activities as much as the professionals who have to deal with the SEO of their customer site. Many ask us, how much to offer this service? Does it guarantee the placement of a first page by writing content has value in the market? It can certainly be calculated starting from a basic concept. A first page of an engine can be obtained exclusively through the intervention of SEO or SEM. The first concern is the purchase of a paid advertising. The other concern is processing that makes as of a perfect content, which is what we teach in this course. To understand the value, the best thing is to compare them to each other on the same keywords, nothing much simpler than that. Let's assume you do a job that aims to bring 10 keywords to a front page for a period of 12 months. What is the true value of what we are doing? Surely we know how much it would cost to do in AdWords because they are in a public market cost. We can safely say that on average, the cost of a long keywords in AdWords is 10 cents per click. And in the same way, we know that the long keywords takes on average 10 customers a day, so in reality, it costs 10 clicks a day that it consumes 10 clicks a day. What does this mean? That a keyword cost us therefore €1 a day. What if it was for a year? How much would this key cost? According to this reasoning, we can understand how in a year, in a single keywords in AdWords would cost us about 300 to 350 euros per year. A nice savings with a staff, and how much money are we therefore saving if we had 100 keywords in the field for 12 months and not 10? And if we had 500 instead? And if we had 5,000 instead? The savings we give to our client rather than to ourselves is already the first gain. Guaranteeing a first page without spending money on advertising certainly is an automatic synonymous with success, but certainly even from the point of view of what it allows us to save is the first step towards success. Have a great day to you. Bye.